Good morning students. Exercise 10D. In exercise 10D, question number 6 is given below are some Olympic records for various athletic events. Complete the table and answer the questions. One table is given. In that table, some events are given. Various events are given, which is of athletics. Okay, Olympic records. So, 5 events are there: high jump, pole vault, long jump, triple jump, and shot put. It is for men's and women's. Okay, it is given in meter and centimeter as well as centimeter and meter. Now we have to complete this table, and after that, some questions are there. Okay, we have to give the answers of that. So, first of all, we see that in high jump, the men's jump 2 meter 39 centimeter, which is equal to 239 centimeter. Okay, 2 meter means what? 200 centimeter, right? 2 meter means what? 200 centimeter plus 39 equals to 239 centimeter. Here 205 centimeter. 205 centimeter means what? 200 centimeter means 2 meter. 200 centimeter means what? 2 meter, and this 5 centimeter. So here 5 meter 92 centimeter means what? 5 meter means what? 500 centimeter. So 500 plus 92, we get 500 plus 92 equals to 592 centimeter. Okay. Now here it is 460 centimeter. 460 means this is the 400. Okay. So we know that if meter and centimeter is there, we divide it into 2 parts. Okay, one is 2-digit part and one is 1-digit part. So 2-digit means centimeter and remaining digits are in the meter. So it is 4 meter 60 centimeter. Here 8 meter 90 centimeter means 800 plus 90 equals to 890 centimeter. Here it is 740 centimeter means make 2 parts, which is 7 meter 40 centimeter. Okay, and in the last one short put 22 meter 47 centimeter. So it is 2200 plus 47 equals to 2247. Okay, centimeter, and it is 22 meter and 41 centimeter. Okay, so it is the table for men's and women's in Olympic records. Question is, how many more centimeter for the pole vault men's record to reach 6 meter? Pole vault, this is okay. So how many more centimeter for the pole vault men's record to reach 6 centimeter? 6 सेंटीमीटर रीच करने के लिए कितने सेंटीमीटर की जरूरत है 6 मीटर रीच करने के लिए? So what we do? We subtract this 592 from 600. We subtract this 592 from 600. So I'll do the calculation here. So 6 meter equals to 600 centimeter. 6 meter equals to 600 centimeter, and this pole vault is having 592 centimeters. So we subtract this. So we get 8 centimeter. Okay. So for first question, how many more centimeter for the pole vault men's record to reach 6 centimeter? So it is 8 centimeter more. 8 centimeter more. Okay. For that record, 6-meter record, we need 8 centimeter more. Then next is, what is the difference between the men's and women's record in long jump? This is a long jump. मेंस एंड वुमेन्स रिकॉर्ड का जो डिफरेंस है वो हमें यहाँ पे शो करना है. सो हियर इट इज 890 सेंटीमीटर, हियर इट इज 740 सेंटीमीटर. सो मेंस 890 सेंटीमीटर एंड वुमेन्स in long jump 740 centimeter. So what is the difference? 150 centimeter. So there is a difference between the men's and women's record in long jump is 150 centimeter. Then last one, how many centimeter higher for the high jump men's record to touch 2.5 meters? High jump. It is 239 centimeter. It is 2 meter 39 centimeter. Okay. So if he has to touch 2.5 meter. Now half meter means what? How many centimeter? 2 meter means what? Sorry, half meter means 50 centimeter. Half. So for reaching 2.5 meter. So 2.5 meter means 250 centimeter minus this 2 meter 39 centimeter is 239 centimeter. So 11 centimeter higher for the high jump men's record to touch 2.5 meter. Okay, 11 centimeter higher jump needed for 2.5 meter of long jump, high jump. Okay, so it is question number 6 from the exercise 10B. Question number 7. In question number 7, the maps are given. School is here, here Sadaf's house, here Supriya's house, here Shiva's house, here it is Bhanu's house. Okay. So this map shows the distance from 4 friends' houses to school. Since we cannot draw long distances on paper, so 1 centimeter on the paper on the map shows 1 kilometer on the road. Means if 1 centimeter distance is there, then it is 1 kilometer on the road. The line from Sadaf's house to school is 5 centimeter. The line from Sadaf's house to school. In your textbook, there are some lines are given. So the distance of that is 5 centimeter. Okay. So in centimeter it is the 5 centimeter, but actual distance is 5 kilometer. 5 centimeter is nothing but the 5 kilometer. Okay. So similarly, we have to complete this table. Use a ruler to measure the lines. So we have to find Supriya's house. So Supriya's house, the distance from the school is, what we have to do? You have to measure that line by the ruler. Okay. If the distance is 4 centimeter, then the actual distance is 4 kilometer. Okay. If the distance of Bhanu's house, so how to measure it? First measure this line and after measure this one and add these two, so that you get the actual distance. Okay. Suppose it is 4.5. Suppose it is 4.5 centimeter. It means that it is 4.5 kilometer. Then it is 4.5 kilometer. Shiva's house, it may be this Shiva's house is 5.5 centimeter. It means that it is 5.5 kilometer. Okay, so we have to solve like this. Measure the distance with ruler, okay, and write down in this table. Okay, so thank you very much. Exercise 10b you have to complete in your notebook. Okay, in next video I'll explain exercise 10c, question number 4, 5 and 6. Okay, what problems are there, and after that exercise 10d, question number 4 abc. Okay, so that our lesson will be completed here. Okay, thank you, bye bye.